By default, the GP and Pro series printers are set to go to sleep every 5 minutes. So we're going to change that by going into Printer Settings, then Other Printer Settings, then Energy Saver Settings, changing the Auto Power Off to Off, and changing the sleep timer to anything beyond 5 minutes, and select OK. The length unit settings on the Pro and GP series are set to metric, so we're going to change that by going to Printer Settings, then Other Printer Settings, then Length Unit Settings. We're going to change that to feet and inches. It's good to understand which firmware your printer is on. Firmware can create fixes for bugs that might happen on the printer. So we're going to check the version information by going to System Information and then checking your current version. Take the current version back to your computer and go on to usa.canon.com, type in your model number of your printer, go to its Support tab, click on the Software and Drivers, choose your operating system, download and run the firmware update tool to check for later versions of the firmware.